Welcome to another AutoCAD episode. Our previous tutorials, we have discussed about extrude, loft, revolve, sweep command. So for this session, we'll be focusing more on the mesh command. So please stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so for today's session, we'll be talking all about the mesh command. So as you can see, I'm still on the 3D modeling mode. And under the 3D modeling, we have the following toolbars. I just have to click on mesh toolbar and then we'll present it with the following. And if you wanted to create a solid object, it's a lot more better if you're on a perspective view. I'm just going to click on this and then click on mesh box, then just draw an object and put height. Also, you can create different types of mesh. You can create a torus shape, you can create wedge, sphere, pyramid, cylinder, and cone. So once you have created an object using the mesh shapes that we have here, you can also manipulate each and every blocks, as you can see from this object that we have on our drawing space, by pressing on the control button and then clicking on the box that you wanted to manipulate. Let's say, for example, you wanted to move this upward. So I'm just going to click on the control button, click on that box, and then I just have to move it upward on an upward position. There. You can manipulate each and every shape the way you want. So for example, just want to move this in an upward position. Just have to release the button and then you'll have the following shape. So if we try to view it in a realistic view, you can see the shape that we just have manipulated. If you wanted to smoothen out the object, you can do that by selecting smooth more or smooth less. So say for example, let's try smooth more. Select mesh objects to increase the smoothness level. So I'm just going to select this object, press on enter, and then you'll be able to, as you can see, smoothen out all the rough edges. And you can increase that by selecting smooth more and then increasing that every like one level. And you can also decrease the smoothness level by selecting smooth less. Okay, so after this, you can also add crease to your object. So what do I mean by crease? Let's try adding crease at the back of the object. So I'm just going to press and hold control button, selecting all the blocks or elements that I wanted to manipulate, and then just click on add crease, and that would, let's say for example 45, and that would flatten out the object and add crease on my object, as you can see. And if we try to view this in a realistic view, we'll be able to get the following object. So this is how mesh command works. It's pretty straightforward. If you wanted a more detailed object, you can use the mesh command anytime. This will allow you to manipulate each and every section of the object that you are trying to create. So that's it for AutoCAD tutorial for today. For the next session, we'll be focusing on other important commands such as array, intersect, union, and subtract. So please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and bye.